guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and try on review of Snow Fox skincare brand. They offer you products that are clean beauty and don't have any harsh chemicals in them. So I have been trying to use any clean beauty skincare brands that don't have harsh chemicals. One, I've seen a significant difference in my skin's texture, breakouts improve. I love this. I love the packaging, first of all, recyclable as well. We get in here is their cooling foam cleanser. This is a 30 ml bottle, great for travel or just a sample size. If you're not ready to commit to their full-size products and want to just try this out and see if you like the brand. So this is a luscious foamed cream cleanser made with no synthetic foaming agents, coconut-based, organic peppermint, water for naturally refreshing cleanse, great for oily skin, T-zone, and blemish-prone sheet mask. And this is their #1 best-selling skin rescue of all time. It's a cooling mask bottle, travel size, and it's an ultra-absorbent silky cream that is packed full of essential fatty acids. $28, but it's on for $15 right now. I think it's a great deal. You get a range of products, a mask, a cleanser, a cream, which is super nice and just light cooling sensation. I feel like this would be great to remove makeup. My skin feels like really refreshed, but it's not like one of those tingly cooling sensation products where it makes your face like, I like the peppermint. The scent is very subtle, so if you don't really like scents in your products, I feel like this would be a nice product. It's not too dry or like it sucked out the dryness of my skin. So far I actually like this cleanser. This on and okay, so I'm just gonna rub the remaining bit of the serum. It feel cooling, and it did get significantly a bit more intense feeling of the cooling on the peppermint while wearing it, but it was nothing crazy. Moisturizer, really texture to apply this either. It's a nice like cream, not too sticky. I mean, I probably shouldn't have applied it after the mask. My skin isn't red, my skin doesn't feel dry or tight. These products weren't oily, they're all natural. I like the sample kit because you get a nice bit of variety, but you can try these products. And if you don't want to invest for the full sizes yet, you can try these or happen to buy them later. It's a great price, $15 for that whole kit. And I think Snow Fox has some great different variety of products, again, that are clean beauty, good for your skin already. Below, definitely check them out. They have a bunch of variety of skincare products curated to different skin types. Would be good for someone who has oily skin, a bit of acne, and then if you're looking for a bit more hydration, in the next video. Bye guys!